How to switch availability in FreeNow driver application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can switch availability between busy and free on FreeNow driver application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up a FreeNow driver application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. So to go to online, you have to tap on the toggle that you see at the top of this interface. So once you tap on that toggle at the top, the toggle will turn into color green. That indicates that you're online and free and now you're available for the new ride request. But if you want a short break or need to stop receiving the rides, all you have to do is again tap on the toggle at the top and set yourself to busy. Now you're busy again. You'll stay online, but you will not get any offers. If you are ready to drive again, just tap the toggle at the top to switch back to free and you will start getting ride instantly. So that's it. You can use these features anytime wherever you need a quick pause. That's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.